Hello. Okay, so wanted to do a quick video on how to add the North Pole sign with arrow into xLights. So I purchased this, received it a few days ago, and what I noticed was it came in two pieces. It came with the pole portion and then another piece for the arrow portion. Now, I'm not exactly sure how you're supposed to put those together. Uh, but I assume that you're supposed to put the lights through the pole and for the arrow portion through the pole and then through the actual arrow piece as well. Now, I have a hard enough time getting my lights through just one piece, let alone putting them through two. So what I did was I actually cut out the duplicate portion from the pole piece and then zip tied the arrow to the two portions left for the pole, and then put just a metal rod, um, zip tied it to the three pieces so that just to give it some stability. Okay, so adding the actual sign to xLights, create custom. Then over here, you're gonna name it. And then we're going to actually add the lights. So what I'm going to do here is I actually downloaded the lights from the website that I purchased it from. That gives me a layout of all the lights. So I'm going to import this as a background image and then set up the actual lights. Okay, just okay, and now we're just going to add the lights. One thing you want to make sure is that you're actually getting the correct numbers, as this is how we're going to use to set up the break out the matrix and the arrow from the pole. And I'll show you in a bit. If you make a mistake with the numbers, like say you were to click here, so what I do to correct that is uncheck these, and you go back here, delete the entries, and then recheck these and just select. So my next number will be 21, so I make that 21, and then just keep continuing this. Okay, so once you get to the end and you got 283 right there, then you click OK. And now if you go back into it, all right, so now that we have our light set up, I'm going to use the wiring diagram here to set up the pole, which will be this section, the arrow, and then the matrix. All right. So click on submodels. I'm going to add. Now add the arrow. All right, now to set up the actual matrix, all right, so what I'm going to do here is add all of these lines. So if I zoom in, you can see I'm going to start here, go from 70 to 77, then 85 to 78, and so forth. Okay, so now when I actually go back into the model, just to check it, looking over on this side here, I can see it should show me all the different lights. Okay. Okay, now to add the North Pole sign. And now add some effects. and then some text to the matrix. Okay, so we can see the writings going up instead of down. So let's see if we can correct that. Okay, now it's upside down. Okay, one more. Let's reverse the rows. And that should do it. And there you go. Okay, and there you have it.